Today we have 10 deliveries to be made. That's a home heat. That's a gas stump, landscaper. Typically, I normally start around 8 o'clock. I have a good boss man to work with. He's very easy to work for. He don't bother you as long as you're doing your job. You know, as long as you're being productive and doing what you're supposed to do and being where you ought to be, you don't have any problem. And I don't feel micromanaged. You know, they trust me enough that I'm gonna do the right thing. So that makes you more productive. And the customers is one thing that I really enjoy, especially when they call and ask for you. That lets you know that you are doing at least 95% of the things right. You want to be 100 or 110, but if you're doing 95, you're in the ballpark. I'm here as long as the good Lord give me health and strength. This is what I'm gonna be doing till that time. So.